In today's video, we are going to experience an oud oil that only royalty wears. So this is an oud oil from Sultan Qaboos, who died in 2020 January, I think. He was the biggest collector and he spent like millions of dollars on collecting ouds from around the world, the musks, very old, very rare perfume ingredients, musks, oud, and a lot of different stuff. So when he died, some of his treasures, these ouds, and they were sold out, and one of them are is Maroke SQ. So it is this one, Maroke SQ Sultan Qaboos. So it is basically Sultan Qaboos SQ, and this is the sample I have got from Ensar Oud. So you can see it is dark and dense, and it is one of my favorite, and it was very expensive. Okay, so I think right now it is sold out. Maybe some other buyers might bring you this Maroke SQ, but right now I think it is one of the best oud oils. Yesterday I tested it on my hand, and in this video I'm going to explore how this royal oud oil from Sultan Qaboos actually smells. So let's test it on my hand, on the left hand, and it is very thick. So I am going to just use very small amount, and thanks to one of my friend from Saudi Arabia, he actually sent me these samples. These are very expensive samples, like $550 samples. So it has some like fermented, very light fermented fruit kind of smell to it. Then it has, for me, I actually tested it yesterday, so it is kind of like you entered a very old library that has sweet fruits and sweet kind of like herbal kind of light smell, which also have some old books kind of smell to it, and it lasted all day long. So I think I used it at noon, and even at late night I was able to sniff the dry down of this oud oil. So this is Maroke Sultan Qaboos oud oil. Oh, it's airy, it's dense, it's wet, it has some old antique library kind of scent to it. Stunning. It is very old oud oil, and it has a great scent. So scent profile is very lovely. It has some airiness, and it is like you are exploring an old chest full of treasures. So this is like you are, I have found this, I have found this. So it smell, it is going to explode like this. So you are exploring, it makes you exciting. It's airy, it's wet, it's thick, it's musky, it's woody, light woody. It has some old or antique touch to it. It has very light fermented note, which you get in some of the Hindi oud oils. I really love two things in an oud oil: wetness, earthiness, and muskiness. So if oud has a smell resembling to real musk grains or musk macerations, then I think that oud is best oud or superior oud to any other oud. So this is Maroke Sultan Qaboos from Ensar Oud for you. I hope you have enjoyed this review. This oud is, I think, one of the expensive ones. I think it would be more than $2,000 or maybe $1,500 for 3 ml. I will put down the price. For me, it has the best, one of the best scent profiles. After I also love Tiger Wood, which is my favorite, then I think this one gets the you can say prize for the best scent profile. So that is all. This is my review about one of the most expensive royal oud oils from Sultan Qaboos. I will meet you in another video with another expensive oud oil soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.